It is great to see you back here on GCPS Tech Tips. You may be familiar with using Google Forms to collect information or give an assessment using the quiz feature. However, have you ever thought about using Google Forms for differentiation? Today, we will dive into branching in Google Forms. Branching allows for students to be directed to certain sections based on their answer to a specific question. Let's take a look at an example. This form is a formative assessment for a first grade math class. If the student selects the correct answer, they are directed to the next question. If they select the incorrect answer, the student is directed to a resource such as a video for remediation. You can also use branching to provide enrichment opportunities for your students of all levels. To insert branching into a Google form, start by entering in your question and your answer choices using the multiple choice format. Then, create different sections to branch to based on the response. For the correct answer, you can create a section for enrichment, or just branch them to the next question in the assessment. Once your section is built, return to the original question and select the 3 dots in the bottom right corner and select Go to Section based on the answer. You will then have options populate for each answer choice. There are a few helpful hints to remember. Branching can become confusing with the various sections, so mapping it out before will help keep things organized. Naming your sections strategically can also help to know which section goes to each question. You also want to pay close attention to which questions you mark as required. Remember that some students may not see some of the sections depending upon their answers. Therefore, if some questions are marked as required that they are not branched to, they won't be able to submit at the end. Formative assessments are just one way to use branching in Google Forms. You can use this to create interactive activities, such as choose your own adventures, digital breakouts, and so much more. We will see you next time on GCPS Tech Tips. Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay in the loop.